In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create Telegram group. That is how you can actually create a group on Telegram. To create a group on Telegram, you want to make sure you have Telegram downloaded on your phone. So the next thing you want to do, you want to open up this Telegram app. So let's open up Telegram. So once you open up the Telegram app, it will take you to the Telegram homepage. So once you get to this Telegram homepage, if you check the top right corner, you're going to see a pencil icon over there. I want you to tap on that pencil icon. So once you tap on that pencil icon, it will bring out a menu for you. So on this menu, you want to select new group at the top. So let's tap on new group. So once you tap on new group at the top, you just want to select any contact you want to add to the group. Let's select this. So once you select the contact you want to add, or you can just deselect that, any of the two. If you check the top right corner, you're going to see where it says next. I want you to tap on that next. So once you tap on that next, it will ask you to put in your group name. So what you want to do from here, you just want to put in your group name. Once you are done putting in the group name, then you want to check the top right corner. You're going to see where it says create. Then you want to tap on that create, and this group will be created successfully on Telegram. So guys, this is how to create group on Telegram. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.